Hello everyone, welcome to my bookish mess. So today I'm sharing with you all the 7 books that I bought with my hard-earned money. So the 3 books I bought from a thrift store, where one book was 150 because it was kind of old and dirty, but I still bought it because I wanted to read it, and the other 2 were of 200 each. And the rest of the 4 books I bought from 99 bookstore. So this is my first time buying from that store. So let's see how it turns out to be. The first book is Babel by R.F. Kuang. So it is dark academia set in 1800s Oxford kind of place, and then it's packed with colonialism, linguists, and rebellion all in one place. Everyone says it's heartbreaking. It's like when you learn something and then there is a stab in your gut. So let's see if I get stabbed in my gut, or whether it in my heart, or whether I'm not at all interested at all. Second book is The Woman by Kristen Hanna. So I've listened about her that she ends her readers into tears. So I know what I'm signing for. I love reading a book and then shedding some tears on it. I love shedding tears anyway. So yes, this is a book about a woman who ends up to be a nurse in Vietnam War. So we expect resilience and heartbreak. I saw some trigger warnings in it. It has PTSD trigger warning. It has war trauma. It has loss, etc. So I love the book with a list of good trigger warnings. So let's see. So the third book I bought was As Long as the Lemon Trees Grow. I picked up just because of the cover. It's beautiful. Yes. Then I read the plot of this. This is based on Syria war with elements of magical realism in it. So I think the story will be beautiful and also painful at the same time. So let's see, this one also will leave me with tears or not. So the next 4 books are from 99 bookstore. This is the book I wanted to buy since a long time. This thin book on Amazon, it was for 350 rupees. Can you believe it? So yes, this book is by The Coffee Gets Cold by Koshikazu Kawaguchi. I hope I'm pronouncing the author's name correctly. So this book is it's a coffee shop where you can travel time. Okay, so but there are some restrictions to it. You take a coffee, you have the provision to travel into time, but the condition is you have to return back to real time before the coffee gets cold, and you can't change the consequences of it. Okay, so let's see. It has, I think, 4 or 5 parts now. Let's see if I'm intrigued by the first part enough to buy all the remaining parts and read them. So the next book is a bit weird. It's The Vegetarian by Han Kang. So I have heard that it's heartbreaking. It's about a woman in South Korea who suddenly stops eating meat, and this affects the whole family and it turns something dark. So I'm expecting these 127 pages will leave you uncomfortable, because many readers felt uncomfortable reading this book. So it's kind of a personal rebellion where the country where everyone eats meat, and it's very normal to be a non-vegetarian, and you suddenly decide to be a vegetarian. So let's see how this personal rebellion turns out to be. Okay, here I am guilty to buy this book, because I bought this book only because it was 2025 Goodreads Choice Award for fiction. So this is the book The God of the Books, where a girl just disappears when she goes to a summer camp in 70s. So it is kind of a thriller book, and as people turn to find out where the girl is, they also find out the secrets of the place they were currently living in. So let's see if Goodreads Choice Award really justifies the title of Goodreads Choice Award. So lastly, I have bought The Girl in Pieces. Look at the cover. I wanted to buy this since 5 years, but I didn't had the courage to buy this. You can kind of know the plot from the cover itself. I didn't have the courage for it because of the plot of it. The plot says that there is a girl who is reviving herself from self-harm and trauma. And I've heard that the book is raw, it's not polished, it's just honest. So I'll read this not yet. When I'm with I when I'll be in my good mental stability, I'll go and read this to destroy my mental stability again. So yes, that's all the 7 books I bought. In 99 bookstore, I also have. They also gave me these anime bookmarks. I don't know. I am not into anime at all, but still got this Naruto, and I don't know who this character is. And yes, and also a thank you card from them. So yeah, let's dive into each and every book and stay tuned. Yes, please subscribe to my channel and like, and please share it so that I can gain views and I can also get free books. So yeah, stay tuned.